Welcome to Eclectic Self Protection, Self-Defense Systems UK. For the purpose of today's tutorial, we will be talking about a self-protection model that's widely used all over the world to describe someone's state of awareness and situational control, namely Jeff Cooper's color codes, or what's known as coding up. Now, Jeff Cooper was basically an American pistols instructor who devised a color coding scheme to avoid a potential threat. This concept is a fantastic method in measuring a rising threat and making a situation more avoidable. The color codes are divided into 4 colors: white, yellow, orange and red. Now the first color code, white. Color code white basically means you're switched off and are totally oblivious to danger. You have no awareness of your surroundings, nor do you have awareness of your environment. A typical example of being in code white is basically being distracted in some way. For example, reading a book, texting on your phone, listening to music. You will therefore be more vulnerable and a possible victim of attack. So you do not want to be in code white. The second code, code yellow, basically means you're switched on. You have 360 degrees environmental awareness of your surroundings and environment. You will therefore be able to read danger zones such as secluded doorways, alleyways and in general unlit and dark areas. Now code yellow also means you have what's called subliminal awareness. So a typical example of this is a person driving in a car with a seatbelt, being aware of other road users. In other words, you're not being paranoid, you just have heightened awareness and observation of what's going on around you. Code yellow is the state of awareness that you should be in at all times. The third code, code orange. Code orange indicates that there's a rising threat and your ability to evaluate it. A typical example of this could be a person walking down a street and they see a group of people on the corner. You know when you get that gut feeling when you don't feel comfortable. Therefore, there may be possible threat, and it's your ability to evaluate the situation before it comes to you. Now, the final state of awareness is code red, which basically indicates the fight or flight stimulus. So you may be in code orange, there's a rising threat and someone's confronted you. You therefore have to deal with it by physical means or evade to safety. Now it's important to mention at this point, if you don't have to physically get involved and you can run away, run away. There's no shame in running away. It's not about creating superheroes. If there's no threat at present, you should revert back to color codes orange and yellow, but never color white. You should always stay switched on. People in real situations have been seriously hurt or injured due to not having any awareness. Now, if you are confronted with a situation and there's no room to evade or escape and you have to use physical tools, you should be the first, act preemptively and strike with maximum effect until the assailant is away from you or you have an escape route. Always remembering to use force that is deemed reasonable and proportionate to the threat at hand. So just to sum up the 4 codes, code white is switched off, code yellow is switched on, code orange is a rising threat and evaluation, and code red is fight or flight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos on our website, and we look forward to seeing you next time.